Hello students, today I am starting with a new chapter, Communication and Mass Media. Kindly remove your EVS textbook, page number 73. Communication and Mass Media. Can you tell? We watch TV programs on many different channels. Where do they come from? Can you tell me? We watch You watch TV and you in the TV you have lots and lots of channels. There are Hindi channels, there are Marathi channels, there are Bengali channels, then there are news channels, sports channels. Ever you have thought from where they come? How can you just on the TV and you get to see what is going all around the world? Can you imagine how you get to know everything, get to see everything live? Matches, Dubai mein IPL is going on, so you can watch that match sitting in your house. No children? So how that is possible? Think over it, children. We talk to other on our mobile phones. What makes communication on mobile phone possible? See, mobile phones don't have wire. We just charge it and we can talk to anyone staying. You're staying in Mumbai, your dadi or your nani is staying in Bihar, so you can talk to that person. My relatives are staying in Bengal, West Bengal, so I can talk to them. Even you can talk to people over phone if they are staying at America or anywhere, Singapore, Dubai, anywhere. You can talk to any person anytime on your mobile phone. How it is possible, children? See, you can see the image of satellites. Yes, there are lots and lots of satellites in the space. Artificial satellites are used in modern methods of communication. The signals are delivered very quickly from one point to another. Because of these satellites, we are able to see there are strong signals. In 10 years or 20 years back, if you ask your mother and father, there was this antenna sort of antenna rod which was placed in the terrace roof, on the terrace roof, and through that we were used to see Doordarshan, DD1, DD2 and few channels. Then cable TV came, and due to this new satellites and everything, now everything is possible. We can watch all the channels on the TV. We can watch live matches, we can watch live sports, and news channels are going on live to show you what is going on. No children? So artificial satellites are launched into space by means of rocket. They are useful for communication. Okay, see, they have certain range, through that we get to know everything about what's going on. So the satellite, through that satellite we get collects the information, and then the news channel try to. So these are the ways we launch the satellite, and we get all the information what we needed. Through this satellite we also get Google Map. We get to see where the traffic is, or which road is clear, and from where if you go. So the satellite help us to get information, and then it shares to different channels and different locations. Okay, see children, study the pictures given below and write the names of the emotions that you see on each face. Can you tell me what? Kindly go to page number 74 in your textbook. See, write with your pencil. The first girl image is, the first picture which you see, the girl is happy. The second picture which you see, the girl is angry. And the third picture, the girl is sad. And on the fourth picture, you can see she is afraid, she is scared. We receive messages or information through communication. See, whatever expression the face shows, through that we can come to know whether that person, see for example, if it's your birthday, so you will be happy. Okay, if somebody broke your scale, or if you had a fight with anybody, you will be angry. Okay, if you're unwell, then you're sad. And if you see group of robbers or thief, or if you see a dog and if you're scared of dog, so you're afraid, no? So we receive message or information through communication. The exchange of information is called communication. See, with this, she's trying to show everyone that she's happy or sad or she is angry, no? So this is also a form of communication. Information broadcast is also a part of communication. See, whatever information, if some coronavirus, so many cases happened, now the case rate is going down. So how we are coming to know? Through the news channel, because the news channel is broadcasting it ना. न्यूज़ पे वो चला रहे हैं, वो बार बार दिखा रहे हैं, तो आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रहा है ना। सी कि कोरोना वायरस के केस कम हो गए, कि बढ़ गए, कि वैक्सीन आ रहा है। तो थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन इंफॉर्मेशन broadcast means to show, is also a part of communication. Now can you tell, study the pictures on the opposite page in the box below and write the names of means of communication that are being used. Can you write? See, it's on the page number 75. See, first information, note down the different kinds of information you obtain from a newspaper. What all information you obtain from the newspaper? क्या क्या मिलता है आपको information newspaper से? Educational, then sports, GK, then what is going on, weather information, no? So it is educational, health, even health information. They show us if you do so this all yoga, or if you walk so much, then so fitness information. So you can write health information. First is given already, educational. Second, you can write health information we get, sports, then news, crime rate, anything, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay children, our weather report, we get all this type of information from newspaper, right children? And write the means of communication that are being used. In the block above, you have to write different means of communication. What all means of communication are used, children? See, there is TV, there is newspaper, there is radio, no? This all information we get through satellite, no? Even laptop is there, computer is there. See, this information is broadcasted due to the dish. Okay, so the TV, this all information, whatever information we get through satellite, that is broadcasted on TV and computer. And see, TV is at everyone's house, no, nowadays. Even mobile, now everything is, you get all the information in your mobile, no need for TV also. Okay, advantages of telecommunication and mass media. We can easily contact people, no? 30 years back or 40 years back or 25 years back, when your parents were small, when you were not born, when your parents were also small. For example, if someone is unwell, so what they used to do, there was no phone, there was no mobile. So what they used to do, children? Write a letter or telegram. They used to do telegram, type the message, and through that vibration, that message get types at the other place. Means there were not much of communication, there were no things available for communication. But now we can easily contact people. If you're unwell or if you have got good marks in your exam, so you can call your uncle, auntie, your friends, anyone, and you can say that yes, I got first rank, I got second rank. So we can easily contact people. See, now there are different modes of communication. We can message them, SMS, we can call them, we can email them, no? See, there is a normal landline phone and there is a mobile phone. The time and effort spent is saved. In ancient time, people used to walk to give information. There were messenger, now we have messenger. We message through our mobile or we mail through our desktop or laptop, but iPad, anything you can use. But so it saves time. We can communicate with any person in fraction of second. 2 minutes may you can inform that person, any news or any good news, bad news, anything. But so it saves your time and it saves your energy, everything, and it is less expensive. Now in 30 years or 50 years or 100 years back, the man will walk and go. It will reach, if you want to give any information from Bombay to Delhi, the man will start walking from Bombay and it will reach after 10 days to Delhi. Okay, so the news will get, Delhi will get the news after 10 days. Then whatever news the Delhi person gives, again that person will walk down to Mumbai. So slow communication on lots of time was wasted, but now everything is so quick, no? They help to raise and build all kinds of awareness like health, environmental issues, educational facilities, gender equality, etc. Right, children? They help us to raise and build all kind of awareness. Now if I want to say, spread the message that please use sanitizer, please use mask. If there was no TV or if there was no radio, how I will explain or how I will tell people that please wear mask, no? but due to TV, due to mobile, uh, due to radio, you can easily pass the message, no, anyone, anywhere, even in the remote village, एकदम अंदर गांव में भी रेडियो में आप बोल सकते हो कि प्लीज़ आप लोग सैनिटाइज़र यूज़ करो या बार बार हाथ धो और मास्क पहनो. तो we can communicate easily, we can educate people easily, we can tell people that yes, boys and girls are equal through videos, through good movies. We can spread messages, social awareness messages easily. See, if I just for example, I don't have a textbook, I don't have a PPT, and I'm just telling you blah 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 blah, giving you information, you will not understand. But see, when there are pictures in the PPT, there are different slides, so you are able to understand what teacher is trying to convey you. So this type of telecommunication and mass media brings development, brings changes in society. Indian society has changed from orthodox to modern society just because and in that telecommunication and mass media plays very important role. Okay, children, advantages of telecommunication and mass media: people can be forewarned about natural disaster like storm, tsunami, floods, etc. Now, how our weather department gives us, today there is going to be heavy rainfall. Please don't go out for work or go to school. So they tell us in prior, they tell us before only that yes, please don't go out today, there is heavy rainfall. Okay, there are going to be floods, or there is a bomb blast, so please don't people, please don't panic, stay home, stay safe. So this all things we can easily spread the message through telecommunication and mass media. They help in successful implementation of government schemes launched for the benefits of people. See, if your Modi ji is giving some scheme to us, life insurance policy, government policy, so that all benefit even a common man can come to know through communication, through mass media. He can learn about it. Okay, ऐसे फॉर्म भरना है, ये आधार कार्ड का करना है. So there are lots of benefits. Mass media help in the expansion of trade and industry. See, obviously everything will be developed, no? Now, when there are advantages, definitely there are disadvantages. Okay, what are the disadvantages of telecommunication device? What, children, tell me? What are the disadvantages? Now, in this coronavirus, COVID-19, whole day we are at home. We can't go out. So what we are doing, children? We are continuously watching movie, TV, and playing games on mobile, right? So what will happen when there is too much of television, too much of computer, mobile? It will cause disorder of the eyes, ears, backache, psychological disorder, and isolation, etc. are also possible. For example, there is one boy, okay, Bittu, for example. Let us name the boy Bittu. Now Bittu is playing PUBG in his mobile, okay, in his mother's mobile. Now mother is saying, बिट्टू आ जाओ, खाना खाने आ जाओ, खाना खाने आ जाओ. बिट्टू विल से, आ रहा हूँ मम्मी, आ रहा हूँ, 2 minutes, आ रहा हूँ मैं, आ रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ आता हूँ मैं, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 मिनट में आता हूँ, 5 minutes में आता हूँ. आता ही नहीं है, उसका पबजी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता है. एंड बाद में आंखें लाल, फिर मम्मी डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाती है और उसको मोटा सा चश्मा आ जाता है. सो दिस आर द साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स. नो, वी आर कंटिन्यूसली वॉचिंग TV or we are continuously playing game. Everyone is doing. So there are side effects. So make a point that I will use for 30 minutes, I will use for half an hour. You can't watch continuously, keep on watching the you can't watch the TV continuously, no children. We get all sorts of information through television channel and internet. There are intents of information being misused to disturb the peace and order in society. Now, there are few news channels which run fake news. आज ये हो गया, आज वो हो गया. So much of everything is not real, no? Few things are even wrong or which doesn't make any sense, but they try and show, highlight and show it again and again, so people are disturbed. आज इतने केस हो गए, आज इतने लोग मर गए, आज ये हो गया, आज वो हो गया. So indirectly we are listening negative news, no, which ना अभी घर पे बच्चे हैं, दादा दादी हैं, वो लोग सुन के डर गए, अरे बाबा इतने केस बढ़ गए, अभी क्या होगा हमारा, ऐसे डर भी लगता है ना. सो देर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच आर इफ़ेक्टिंग अस साइकोलॉजिकली मतलब हम परेशान हो जाते, डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं ना, माइंड हमारा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट we have to limit down everything. See, if there is a good thing, it also has a bad thing. There is a good part, there is a bad part. So you have to learn to balance, children. So try and do things which are much more fruitful. Watch TV for 1 hour, okay? Then do something, drawing, craft, or help mummy, or learn new things. No, you can do lots and lots of new things. Just watching television and mobile will not give you success. Okay, one more thing, there are few informations, like if we are watching any movie, all the movies are not good for children. Few movies are good for children, few movies are not good for children. But when you watch nowadays, everything, all the channels are showing different types of movies and songs. So there are good sides also, there are bad sides also. So try and understand that we should watch television, mobile, laptop for a limited time. Okay children, time spent on watching television leads to neglect of outdoor sports, physical fitness. This has an adverse effect on physical health. Okay children, playing is very important. Playing, physical activity is very important. Okay, now we can't go out due to pandemic, but we can do few simple exercises like stretching, skipping you can do at your home, or you can do simple yoga, no, to keep yourself fit. And obesity due to watching excess TV लगा दिया, खाना खा लिया और ऐसे हम होते जा रहे हैं. That is also not good, no, because it is affecting your health. I hope children with this we come to the end of the chapter. These are very small chapters, so let us see little things. What's the solution? When Amod, who is in the 5th standard, comes home after school, he visits several websites on his computer. He never misses his favorite TV shows. He plays games on his mother's mobile phone all the time. He is always sitting at home. Lately, his appetite has decreased. He is drowsy and has put on weight. Now, Amod's mother is worried about him. When will she feel better, children? अभी ये बच्चा है, स्कूल से आता है, 5th स्टैंडर्ड में है, आके बैग फेंका, कंप्यूटर धड़ 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 चालू किया, सब मुझे क्या आया है, मुझे क्या गेम खेलना है देखा, फिर अपनी मम्मी के मोबाइल पे स्टार्ट हो गया और सारा दिन घर पे बैठ के खाना तो जंक फूड खाता रहता है, अच्छा खाना खाता ही नहीं है। तो क्या हो गया, थका हुआ हो गया, वेट गेन हो गया। नाउ अभी उसकी मम्मी क्या हो गई, परेशान हो गई ना, बोली अरे अभी मैं क्या करूँ इसके साथ। सो हाउ वी कैन हेल्प अमोद्स मदर, चिल्ड्रेन? Tell me, you write and send me how you will help Amod's mother. That is your homework, okay? Always remember, telecommunication device should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. कोई भी चीज़ को अति नहीं यूज़ करना है. Excessive means too much. Do you know audio-visual communication? We cannot see each other when we talk on the telephone. New communication technology has now made this possible on mobile phone to see the person we are talking to. What we have learned in this chapter, let us do some recap, children. Introduction to the means of communication. What are the different means of communication? Use of space launch technology for telecommunication. No, different satellites are launched to help us for telecommunication. Introduction to mass media, newspaper, television, then mobile, internet, Facebook. These all are different types of mass media. And we also learnt about advantages and disadvantages of the use of mass media. See, children, these are very small chapters and very easy. So kindly do a thorough reading of this chapter and please write all the dictation words. Thank you.